Alright, YouTube. Welded up all of these springs right here. I know my weld job is very crappy, but penetration is there. And afterwards, what I did is just take a straight edge or pry bar, whatever you have, and scrape any weld shrapnel you have off of the surface of this ring gear, and make sure you don't have any crap in the gear itself. And then also in this smooth surface inside of there, you want to make sure to keep that clean and perfect. But shake it all you want and no more rattle. So I know it looks crappy, but you're not going to see it inside of there anyway, so shouldn't make any noise anymore. I'll let you know how it turns out.